Welcome to OICAD Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. In this video, we'll see the concept of exponents. We already have used exponents, in fact, when we discussed squares and cubes. So for example, 3 square okay, this is a number in exponential form. Okay, here 3 is called base. And 2 is called exponent. See, another name for there are other names for exponents. Exponent is also called, okay, 2 is an exponent. Another name for exponent is index and power. Okay. So we can call this number as 3 square or 3 power 2. Okay, in general, suppose the number is of the form, say a power b. A is the base and b is exponent, index or power. So a power b means what? A into a into a into a, b times. Just like 3 square is 3 into 3. Okay, similarly, square, say 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, which is 8. And see 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, what is 2 cube into 2 square? So this is say 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 cube into 2 into 2. So which is equal to, let's say how many 2's here? 5. So it is equal to 2 power 5. Okay. So 2 power, so that means what? 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 equal to 2 power 5. So which is 2 power 3 plus 2. So in general, so a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That means, so if bases are same, so if they want to multiply two numbers whose two numbers in exponential form and bases are same, then to find the product or multiplication, So we need to retain the same base and add the powers. Okay, similarly, so a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Similarly, a power m, so divided by a power n. So here we subtract the powers. So a power m minus n. See, for example, as we saw here, 2 power 3 into 2 power 2 equal to 2 power 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Similarly, 2 power 3 divided by 2 power 2 is 2 power 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 power 1 is just 2. And a power m whole power n. So that's equal to a power mn. Mn is what? M into n. And a into b whole power m is a power m into b power m. And a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. Okay, to find some examples for this, so a power m whole power n. So for example, 2 power 2 whole power 3, so is equal to 2 power 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Then a b, say for example 2 into 3 whole power 2 is equal to, so 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. So that's what it means. So we need to apply the power to each factor inside the bracket. And 6 by 2 whole power 3 is equal to 6 power 3 by 2 power 3. Same way we need to apply the power to both numerator and denominator. And a power minus m, this is equal to, this can be written as 1 by a power m. So for example 2 power minus 3. So remember, this is not a 2 power minus 3 is not a negative number. So this 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 2 power 3. So which is nothing but 1 by, so 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8, so which is a positive number, it's not a negative number. So only exponent is negative. So using this principle, a power minus 1 is what? Reciprocal of a, which is nothing but 1 by a. So 3 power minus 1 is 1 by 3. and a by b whole power m. Okay, in fact a by b whole power minus m can be written as b by a whole power m. So to make the exponent positive, we can take the reciprocal of the base, or in other words, if you reciprocal of the base, then sign of the power will change. Say 3 by 2 whole power minus 4. This is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4 and so on. So just like a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, similarly 1 by a power minus m can be written as a power m. So sign of the power will change if is brought to the denominator, or numerator and denominators are interchanged. So basically it's taking the reciprocal of the base. So 1 by 2 power minus 3 is equal to 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. And any number power 0 is 1. So for example 3 power 0 is 1, or anything 7 power 0 is 1. And see, any number is to the same power 1. So a power 1, or any number to the power 1 will be the same number. This is just a. So 5 power 1 is just 5. Or minus, it can be base, and the base can be positive or negative. Similarly power also can be positive or negative. Suppose it's minus 3 whole power minus 1, sorry, minus 3 whole power 1, then it's equal to just minus 3, because anything power 1 is the same number. Let's see some more examples. See 3 power 2 into 3 power 2, so equal to, so 3 power, you need to add the powers, 2 plus 2 4, so 3 power 4 is what, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, so 3 into 3 9, another 3 into 3 9, so it's 81. So we will 3 power 5, so divided by 3 power 3 is 3 power 5 minus 3, which is equal to 3 power 2, which is equal to 9. and 27 power 0 is what 1, because any number to the power 0 is 1. Even my negative number minus 7 power 0 is 1. So same, it need not be just two number, it can be three. For example, 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 into 2 is equal to 2 power. See, if there is no power, it means power is 1. So it's equal to 2 power 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 2 power 6. Which is equal to, if you multiply 2 into 2 is 6 times, then you will get 64. So 2 power 6 is 64. And see, when base is negative, for example minus 2, and when power is even number, for example 4, then result is positive. So that means this can be written as just 2 power 4, because we know it's positive, so it is equal to 16. But when power is, say when base is negative but power is odd, let's say 5, see it's a 5 is an odd number but base is negative, in that case result is negative. So this can be written as negative of 2 power 5, so which is equal to minus 32. So these are the basic things one should know about exponents. Let's see more in our next video. Thank you.